Let's run ComfyUI for a bit. Hang on. ComfyUI is a software that uses stable diffusion to generate AI images. The difference is that it uses a node-based, drag-and-drop system that's very intuitive and customizable. You can control every step in the image generation process. I'm opening a workflow here. It's a restore workflow I downloaded from a Discord channel. Don't mind all the complicated stuff for now. Just focus on the result it delivers. We'll dive into how it works later. Keep an eye on the green line. Once it's done running, the restored image will appear. That's it. When I have time, I'll make more videos introducing ComfyUI. Please subscribe to support the channel.